Rio Pinar Golf Course, ending where we started.
All right, so here we are starting off where we left off at the last video. We went through the preserve here, and now we're gonna hop on over to the preserve that's actually sitting on the golf course side of things by the Rio Pinar Golf Course. So we are leaving the amenities right now. These are available to the other side of the reserve as well. Like we mentioned before, the quarterly HOA fee is around $300 a month and includes those amenities we just saw in the last video, the pool, the basketball courts, tennis courts, and the fact that both sides of these communities are gated. Another speed hump here. All right, so up ahead here again, we are going to turn on Ekalakahatchee Trail. We're gonna just take a left and hop out of here and head down to Orient. Take a left there and we are gonna be right in front of the preserve at Rio Pinar. And there we go. All right, so we've got our maps going. You can see where we're at too, down at the bottom right-hand corner. Gives you just a good whereabouts, where we're close to. So Faith Assembly Church was just a little south here. We are close to 417, which is great to get access to the highway to just head an hour over to Cocoa Beach, 27 miles to Disney, 18 miles to Universal Studios. We're just really a hop, skip, and a jump to anything you want to be at. All right, so you'll see the school sign there. We're gonna take a left right here onto Orient, like I had mentioned, and wanted to let you know that the elementary school, the Deerwood Elementary, is right over here to our right-hand side. So again, very close to the elementary school. Liberty Middle School is about 2.4 miles away that the zoning would be for, and Colonial High School is about 6 miles. There's the elementary school to our right. If you didn't check out the first part of this video, definitely go back, find the part 1. Shows another great part of this preserve villages at Rio Pinar community. They're broken up into 2 different sections here, as you can see. And so now we're hitting the side that is actually sitting on the golf course side of things here. Here we are again entering in another gate code. This section is gated as well. And when we enter into this area here, you are going to hear me talk about a couple homes that have recently sold. But when I say recently, actually there's only 2 homes that have sold in this section of the community in the last year. So currently, there is a home available sitting on the golf course, an excellent opportunity, especially again for all of you golf enthusiasts. Would love to give you your own personal tour, as that home is going to go quickly. They just, they don't come available that often. So if you've been wanting to live on the golf course, definitely give us a call, send us an email. Would love to help you out with your own personal tour there. But again, this is just going to give us a nice tour within the community to check out how everyone is upkeeping their lawns, which very nice. We still have the speed humps in place. Homes are just very well kept up here. lots of nice little cul-de-sacs too. So again, it's not like it's a bunch of busy streets, just a little cul-de-sac here and there to keep the traffic definitely at a minimum. Wanted to talk a little bit about the Rio Pinar Golf Course that a lot of these homes do sit up against. Again, you can see in the map there. But the golf course was actually established in 1957, and it was the original site of the Florida Citrus Open, now known as the Arnold Palmer Invitational, on the PGA Tour from 1966 through 1978. Had a bunch of famous players like Arnold Palmer, Lee Trevino, and Julius Boros that won there at Rio Pinar. Later, when the tournament relocated to actually Bay Hill, again, we have many videos. If you are curious about areas closer to Bay Hill, we have a few community tours over in that area. But when the tournament relocated to Bay Hill in 1979, the Rio Pinar Golf Course actually became the site of the LPGA Tours, the Ladies Citrus Open, for about 4 years. Currently, still a great place to go and golf. It was recently repurchased. They are doing lots of renovations to it, and you can rent out the different banquet halls. There's fine dining rooms. Just a great place to go hang out, check out, go golfing. They even have some great tennis courts as well. Another great little cul-de-sac. Again, these were established in the early 2000s, so that's why we see such mature landscaping and whatnot. Homes obviously just a little bit older, but have been well taken care of. And they just don't come open that often. People love living on the golf course. So to our right, you're actually going to see there is that sign in the yard over there. Would love to give you some more information, but that one is sitting right up against the golf course. Great opportunity if you would like to live on the golf course. All right. So a home here over to our left-hand side did just recently sell. When I say recent, it was April of 2023 for $585,000. It was a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,152 square feet. Again, just love all the mature landscaping. So right here, you can see on the map, and then you also see this little sidewalk right in here. That is one of those connections where you can walk through that trail to get over to the other part of the preserve that we were at recently. So that's where, like I said, both sides can kind of hop on over to the next. They're still part of the same community, but you have a few different access points. We'll see the other one more down a little bit south here on that map. All right, again, Another home coming up here on the left-hand side sold in December for $585,000. It was a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,556 square feet. But like I said, so in the last year, literally only 2 homes have sold on this area of the community. People just love to be on the golf course side of things. But as I did mention, there are actually currently, as of right now, 2 homes available. We would love to help you guys. If anyone is interested in taking a look, give you your own personal tour and make maybe a dream of yours come true as well. So all those homes we just drove by, all on that right-hand side, just you can see once again on that map there, but do sit on the Rio Pinar Golf Course. Makes it easy if you want to take your golf cart and head on up. Like I had mentioned in the beginning, we did start this video where we ended our last one, that first portion of the Preserve Villages at Rio Pinar. So make sure you check that one out if you haven't had a chance yet. But this last little cul-de-sac we're going to end in has the last connecting walking trail that I want to point out here. So again, you've got 2 different areas to hop from one side of the community to the next. That video of me talking on that bridge there, right there was where it connected. If you follow that bridge, come all the way over, it hops you right over to this side of the preserve. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. We're excited. We love showing property in these areas, and we'll catch you on the next one.